Firstly, I want to apologise for yesterday's video. It was just naff, and there's no excuse. I know some of you guys will stick up for me and say, Gary, you're doing this every day, 20 days on the stretch, and every video can't be great. I think the intention to do it great, though, is what's important. And because I chose to do this project, I didn't have to do it. So don't let me off the hook easy. Just kind of, Gary, you got to up your game a little bit. I'm thick-skinned, I can take it. I'm interested in that in my life. I want people to be genuine with me. And but thanks for your support, guys, this year with these videos. Listen, I've bought a boat. I've literally bought it. You know, in a video a few months ago, I was talking about buying a boat. Well, I've actually bought one now. It's a 70-foot by 12-foot Euro cruiser. I've actually got it moored as well at the marina, which is going to cost me a shitload more money than originally planned. But I've just thought, at least for a year, we'll have it. We're going to be out and about. But I just thought, for the first year, until I get used to this thing, because it is a big chunk of wood and metal, this thing, it's pretty much brand new, so I'm going to keep it. It's 6 months old, this thing. Time out. I know what you're thinking.
Farewell and adieu to you fair Spanish ladies. Farewell and adieu, you ladies of Spain.
But in the pretty much the week after, for the first week into 2022, we're going to be doing our videos. That's going to be the base for our videos. Obviously, we're going to be out and about all of the time still, but that's going to be our little den. That's where we're going to be shooting the videos from. The light on there's gorgeous as well, guys. You're going to love it. Well, let's crack on. We're going to get into it. I've got a little bit of a covert mission today because I want to get into do last minute Christmas shopping. But I don't want to get COVID at this late stage. So we're going to get in and out, and hopefully I get my, well, no, I have to grab my frame for the day. So the interesting thing about doing this project is you do have to come up with content, right? So yesterday aside, it is kind of keeping me on the balls of my feet. I have to come up with content every day to put it out, and so I'm more proactive in effect. It's the editing that can take the time. Again, yesterday's didn't take that long, but anyway, right, let's crack on. Let's get on the train. So I think I got my frame. I'm in a bit of a hurry, but I got a shot. I'll put it up at the end of the video. I think it's better than yesterday's anyway. One of the things that winds me up is those stocking fillers, because especially if you've got a half decent sized stocking for the kids, because you don't want to have a little pincy weeny one, do you? But then it's not like the old days, is it, when you can throw in an orange and remember them things? I don't know, we probably don't, because I'm older than probably a bunch of you lot. Like a kaleidoscope thing, and you turn it, you look through it and you turn it, and it had all kind of like glitter in it and different colours and that kind of thing. Create all these crazy shapes. Probably cost about, 50p to make. You'd love it, wouldn't you? Love getting that. Don't want that now, do they? And what my boy Jesse, I spent £25 on this almost like crypto currency for Fortnite, the game, as one of his presents. And I was saying to his mum, how am I going to wrap that up? That's what he wants. It's on his list to Santa. And yeah, the irony is though, Santa don't put his hands in his pockets, does he? You know what I'm saying? It's like, and he gets all of the thanks. It's a wind up. Right, I'm going to get on the train. Now, I think that'll do for today. I've got a lot to do. I can't be hanging about chatting to you lot. But a couple more days to go. Hope the picture's pretty good today, I think. Signing out. Cheers, guys. Bye.
For we've received orders for to sail back to Boston. and so nevermore shall we see you again.